Hey everyone, welcome back to RS Computer Solutions. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off Firewall in Windows 11. Click the Start menu and open Settings. Go to the Network and Internet option. Click Advanced Network Settings. Now click Windows Firewall. Under Firewall and Network Protection, you will see Domain Network, Private Network, and Public Network. Click Public Network and toggle Microsoft Defender Firewall off. Click Private Network and toggle Microsoft Defender Firewall off. Also, click Domain Network and toggle Microsoft Defender Firewall off. Turn off the Windows Firewall successfully. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.